So it begins. Fun times, Fieros. Fun times. Let the fun begin. Well, made it back, safe and sound. Haven't made up my mind yet what I'm going to do with it. It seems to be in pretty rough condition overall. And don't know if that motor even turns over, but I'm going to check that because by the looks of it, somebody was doing something. And here, let's look at the taillights. Oh, they're good. Very nice. This thing's been off the road since '03. Not bad, not great. Lots of usable parts. The interior, very good-ish. Don't like the seats, but I need parts for mine, and this thing will definitely help out. But we're going to see if this motor is any good. Well, today I got my own fun. Door no worky. And hold on, check this out. I think the rods in the door are stuck in the lock position. Nice. Well, it took some doing. Oh, I know, I didn't want to do it, but had to be done. The whole latch assembly froze. Take a look at the miles here on it. 63,000 original miles. And this is why I decided to part this one out. The standard Fiero rot, but this car came from the Pacific Northwest. So I understand what you guys are saying. I get it, but this thing sat outside since 2003. And here, check this out. The latch was frozen pretty good. So, hold on. So, from inside the car, I could only get to right here. Both the latch and the lock were frozen on the door latch mech. And as you can see at the moment, it has become a parts car. And to say it, this makes a great parts car, because most of the parts on it are usable. Like, take for instance the sail panel. They're both good. That's a rarity. This car has also been repainted. The bumpers are all messed up. They're not making these cars anymore, and parts are getting slightly harder to find. So finding good donor parts is actually a good thing. And as you've seen on my channel, here's my 85 GT. All of these older Fieros need parts at one point or eventually. I am a firm believer, and if I can save them all, I will. But sometimes it's just not in the cards. Sometimes finding a good donor car is a good thing. And if I could have saved the door, I would have. So I think this Fiero might have come from the Midwest. As we look up at the mount, you can see that it's not necessarily happy there. And, well, let's take a look at the other side. What do we got over here? This one was about ready to self-delete. Nice. So I think this Fiero might have come from the Midwest. As we look up at the mount, you can see that it's not necessarily happy there. And, well, let's take a look at the other side. What do we got over here? This one was about ready to self-delete. Nice. So while taking apart the Fiero here, noticed a lot of sound deadening. I mean, holy dynamite. I mean, hold on, check this out. What were they trying to sound deaden? I mean, it's everywhere. Except for over there. It took some doing, but we got the motor, transmission, and rear subframe and suspension dropped out of it. This was definitely a good donor car / parts car. This car was not worth putting back on the road. Still have a few more parts to pull off of it, and then it goes to the crusher. I know, but with everything you've seen, this car was not safe to put back on the road at all. Well, it took some doing, but got it out. Not bad. Oh, it's got polyurethane on it. Very nice. And it's gone. Well, it made it here successfully, so we're all good. I'll give you guys a little video on this thing. Apparently someone decided to convert it to electric. Interesting. It's an 88 coupe, so 2.5 liter 5-speed. Well, let's dig into it a little deeper and check out what they did. I mean, we can start by checking out the interior. It looks like they took the steering wheel, but oh, the seats are good. And the door panels are good. So, they were putting the batteries up front. Interesting. So they took out the radiator. Looks like a vacuum canister for the brake booster. All right. And here we go in the rear. Obviously, everything has been removed. So it looks like we have a coolant. What would you call that? Coolant radiator. Set of fans. Yeah, they really hacked the wiring up on this thing. Shift cables are still there. I'm assuming they were using the manual. But they also cut up the rear trunk. Well, that's interesting. So the rear subframe is loosely installed so that we could make it a roller. But my thoughts on this are really interesting because who would go through the trouble to convert it to electric on a Fiero? Anyone can chime in on this. And was this normal back then, or 90s or 2000s, 2010s? You let me know. So a little update on the 92 here. Got some good used tires. Probably, yeah, they're not name brand, but it's fine. Got the alignment done. Check out these numbers. It's fine. Well, at least it's better than it was. Pause to read and check it out. And tomorrow's fun is more Fieros. All the Fieros. And here we go again. More Fiero fun. And here we go. Very nice, very nice. These damn things keep following me. Well, had to make a quick little stop here to check the straps on the Fiero, and yay, gas prices. But, what to do with it? What to do? Don't know yet. Probably gonna end up being another parts car. Yay, parts car. And it made it back without a problem. Nice.